Obi. My husband.
Mom.
Hey.
This one you are calling me this name. Are you sure I'm safe?
Obi.
My
dear husband. My dear husband.
Hey.
Look at my shop. Look at everywhere. Look at my counter. Empty cartons. There's nothing there again. Please do something. Please, my dear husband, just try and do something about it. Please.
You know why I'm laughing? Women, why is it that you people have this kind of look whenever you want to demand something?
Because you're a woman.
Is that, you know, I told you that I have this plan. I am setting. If this plan should mature, I will turn this your shop to the biggest supermarket in the world.
Serious? My big.
Hey.
Or the node.
Autumn.
I don't want supermarket.
All
I want is Roban.
Roban?
Yes.
Consider it done. Yes. Is that why you are troubling yourself?
Yes, that's what it is. If you can make it like Roban.
Hey, is it? Yes,
my love.
You know what will happen now? What will happen is that you go inside there. You got to tell them when you're there. I'm doing a biscuit. See more. One.
Thank you. Mama, there's one man waiting for you. Oh, let him in.
Honorable.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry, how am I helping you?
My names are Mazio Kachi, the son of late Chief Moje Denja.
Okay.
Honorable, I am here because of this gift the government are sharing concerning this pandemic.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Where do you live?
Danger close now. Danger close, yes.
Danger close. Have you not received any items?
Receive any gift? I am not aware of it unless it's from a face in Azu well.
Yeah, I'll find that in. Why don't you have counselors?
We have counselors. But the thing is that my late father, was a very nice man to the community. So that is the reason why any gift that comes from the government is being given to my family. So that is the reason why they now ask me to present them. Yes.
No problems. I will look into it. I will send message across.
Okay. I beg to take my leave now.
Oh my God. You don't have color.
No, there's no problem. See you alone now. I am okay.
Don't worry.
Yeah, somewhere.
afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
So I saw room to let. So we decided to come in if there's a room apartment for us to rent.
Okay, what madam, like you said, you saw you are at the right place. But who is this person?
He's my husband.
Hey, what's back? Your husband?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Hi. You know what? Like you said, there is room. Madam, another man no on this side. I didn't know on this side wrong. If I am giving my house, it should be to you. Not to anyone.
Thank you, sir. He's normal.
So you go there first of all. I have rules and regulations. You go here, wash your hand, clean. Huh? Then you come inside. Okay, I'm able to show you the rooms if you are comfortable with it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you, sir. No.
Madam, are you sure that this person is he okay?
It's normal.
Normal. Go inside. Huh? Anyway, now this disease is now because I'm myself. I need money. The husband is back. I am back with a lot of goodies.
How come?
Hey, don't ask me how come. The only important thing is that let's take all these things inside. He's coming direct from the government. Wait. You know I told you. I told you that.
Inside. Hide. Daniel! I don't want anybody to see you. Just be watching.
I've not even done anything. I'm still. I'm gonna catch water. Bubba.
Daniel, what's so fast? You need now. Don't worry,
don't make noise.
God will bless us.
Let's God bless for us.
God will bless government for us.
Your money is
300.
just initial back there. You collect 200. Collect 200. Collect 200.
But thank you.
But I want us to. Do you know why I call this meeting? It's because of some of you here who has been disturbing me about government problem. Especially you, Juliet. Especially you. So I now bring the good news to every one of you because I am a good landlord. Since my father died, I take care of everybody who is my tenant. So the government has promised us that they are bringing gifts to us so that everybody will have his or her own portion. That is why I call this meeting.
What did government want to share us? What kind of gift?
What gift again apart from Indomie? In a mega expect.
Indomie. Mbano. You're supposed to at least add maggi, rice, and all other condiments.
Must you tell government? Are you government? They say they will give you gifts. Wait for the gift.
Oga landlord, why will they give us packets of Indomie? When I saw you with my 2 eyes carrying bags of rice, cartons of Indomie, carton of geisha, sardine, everything into your house, you not come and give us packets of Indomie. Landlord, you are lying. We are not taking it.
Juliet, you are now monitoring me. You are now monitoring me and give them a monitor. Must you tell government? Are you government? They say they will give you gifts. Wait for the gift.
Who be government? Who is this government?
Who do I think that is government? Then government is government.
No, it's a lie. We are the government.
We are the government.
Yes, we are the ones that elected them to represent us over there.
I forgot. You are the government, Abby. You people are the government.
Yes.
So what you will do now as the government, you will go to that government and settle yourselves by yourself because you are the government. Go and settle yourself. Huh?
Bring out the one they gave you.
Yes, that one that they gave you before, you must bring it out.
Because you cannot come to this place and they order me how to run my compound. So you will go and settle yourself.
Sai! Longest time! No see. Oh, you didn't tell me that he's gotten. Actually, this is an official car from the bank. I see. It seems you're here to see your cousin.
Yes. I hope he's around.
Let me run along for an official.
Bye. Okay, take care. Oh, hello.
Oga landlord, please tell us, how will someone survive in this lockdown? People like us that earn our living daily. It's very hard though. It's very, very hard.
It's yoku. Mana, some of you here are still owing me. Even you have to pay me now.
Is that why you summoned us?
Eh? Is that why I summoned you? Of course, it is. Because some of you that are sitting down here are still owing me. Some are owing 2 weeks. Some are owing 6 months. Okay, you
want to call him, you call. Or I can make you back.
Okoro.
And I'll do you.
No, if I want to call them, I should call them.
Oga landlord.
Madam Tenant.
I thought the main reason why you called us here is for us to discuss a way forward. Because the last time I caught you, I saw you carrying palliative, bag of rice, a carton of Indomie, geisha, everything into your house. As if we, your tenants, we are not Nigerians. Eh? Why didn't you share it to all of us? Eke now.
As the king of the land, Iguana. Don't you know the king's palace? Let me give you transport so that you run and report me to him. You said something earlier. The way forward. The only way forward here is you people. Paying me my house rent. Because even a car can get main market, Emeka Ọkọ Plaza. Mancha niile na-agwụ ụgwọ maka onwere onye ma mgbe dis thing na-aga ebi. Onwere onye ma mbọsị ọ ga-ebi. Onye ọbụla nwere shop na-agbazikwa ụgwọ ya. Because this is the only investment my father left for me. So I cannot joke with it. The only person free here to go inside is Okoro. He's not with me. Or the so anyway.
How are you sure?
Oh baby, I have the book here. I'm going to check it with them.
Landlord, since you have confirmed that I am a baby and we are not owing, we are free to Tido now. We are free to move.
Yeah, free. You are even SS free because you are not owing me. So that I will concentrate on people that are owing me.
Let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go inside and do some other things. Mayana, if you are owing, please tell landlord.
Who does it?
Now some lockdown. How does lockdown concern me? You pay me my money one after the other. That is what I want to tell you. Because I never move on.
Haven't you heard? Bank, lockdown. Aso Rock, lockdown. School, lockdown. Hospital, lockdown. House rent, lockdown.
Tell him. My house rent.
Everything.
Oga landlord, I'm not paying till after lockdown. 1 month after lockdown.
You won't pay my house.
We are not paying till after lockdown.
Never lockdown. I'm with the lockdown. Now, no one can marry you. Not even the day I was looking at this girl, this particular lady here, the day she came asking for house, I'm now gonna imagine a guy. Them lockdown. All of you must pay me. Can't you take off and do it for her? The border can't attack you. Hello?